is Mr. Martin, and this is the first part of the distance formula. So the first thing is, let's write down the distance formula. D stands for distance, and that equals the square root of x2 minus x1, which is when you subtract your x coordinates, plus y2 minus y1, subtracting the y coordinates. The first step that you need to do on problem number 1 is to recognize that it asks for the distance. So I need to use the distance formula. So first, I need to name the coordinates. So this coordinate is -5 across and 3 up. And the second point is -2 across and 3 down. Those are going to be the coordinates we use. Then second, substitute in the x and y values. So let's go ahead and find the distance between the 2 points. So we have D equals the square root. Now, the x coordinates are -2 and -5. So as long as you keep that same order, -2 minus -5 squared, and then you do the y coordinates. Pick a different color for those. That's 3 and -3. So they plug this in. I've got -3 minus 3 squared. Now, the easiest thing is to go ahead and just do each part that's in parentheses first. So -2 minus -5 is +3 squared. So I get D equals, I haven't done anything with the square root yet, 3 squared plus -3 minus 3 is -6 squared. Three squared is 9 plus 6 squared is 36. You add these up and get D equals the square root of 45, which if you type in your calculator, you get D equals 6.708, which I'm going to round to 6.71. The square root calculator on your calculator is going to be a different spot than what I have, so you're just going to have to look for that on your own. Part 2 will be coming on the next video.